We're doing it on Omega. Okay, I want to show you guys how to do the import a deck from somewhere into YGO Omega. So if you try to import it, it will just copy it, or export or import. Okay. If you try to export it and then you try to import, it will just keep remaking the same deck. And then you're gonna have to shut down your computer and restart all over again so you can import a deck. So you could import from, where is it now? You could import from Project Ignis. This is what I was trying to do. But the export, once you export, it will just copy the deck, and you're gonna have to, and you can't import, you're gonna have to exit, and then you're gonna have to shut down your computer and restart all over again. Okay, that's the AI one. Which one is it? Dex? I wanted to do the Drytron 7. There we go, we have Drytron 7 now. This one? Yeah, this is the Drytron 7. Okay. And then if you want to do it from another, if you want to download a deck, you just, for example, we're going to do this one here. And we're going to download it. So it's that right there. Where is it? So it's in your downloads, and it's this right here. Now you take this out. So if you download it from Dueling Book or anything, you take it, you drag it. Whoa, what the heck? Should be able to drag it onto your desktop, and then you have to make a folder. You just right click and then new, and then folder, and then that's what I did, and I put it, named it Dex. So I'm going to delete this one, and then you drag it into the Dex and go back to Omega, and we're going to import, then it's into your desktop, into your Dex, and it's this one right here. Boom. Where's the numbers? This one. This is the deck. Exact same deck, right? Should be. So there you go. That's how to import or export decks into YGO Omega. And remember, for the third time, if you export, it's just gonna copy something. For example, this export, it's gonna copy, right? And then you try to import it, it's just gonna be a name. So I'm just gonna put 1, okay. So it's just gonna copy the same thing. What you do is not really sure how to do this, but you go to, it's just copied, open, and then new, paste. So you basically just take this and then send it over to your friend or something, and then they can export it somehow. I'm not sure, but look, if you try to import, it won't. Number 2, same deck. And if you want to import, you're gonna have to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that helped you guys out, and comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.